was severely wounded whilst attacking a U-boat, and for a while he actually couldn't fly the aircraft. The engineer flew the aircraft, then he took over the controls again and brought the aircraft back to its base in Scotland. Ladies and gentlemen, the Catalina. Landing configuration, but you can see just in the fuselage where the wheels, the Catalina is not just a flying boat, it's an amphibian. You can see the programs with the sponsors' names on the front, so you can see the names of all the sponsors and wave them to the photographer. He will be taking photographs. You will see his camera as he comes round. Okay, so here he comes now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Get your cameras ready, get your programs ready, wave them to the photographer. Here he goes. Wave your programs. Come on, I want to see more. Taking the photographs now. As he goes round. The Alpha News, Eye in the Sky with Peter Davis and the little Motorsport Autogyro. Wave your programs, that's it, yay, good. Excellent stuff. If you haven't got a program, all we ask is that every fan, you're doing 3 passes each time. So look to your right, ladies and gentlemen, here comes the Alpha Eye in the Sky. Wave your program. And you might be the lucky one to win the prize.
They're going to crosswind on the beach today. And there we go. PD's doing the final signal, everybody. These guys have just jumped out of an airplane. We need a big cheer! Big cheer for PD! Yes! And behind that, Mark Chainsaw McGarvey! Almost on the X! Pete Lehelan, nice one, Pete!
Ladies and gentlemen, the F-6C fighting program. Number 346, which was third with the Royal Air Force. Even today, the Belgian Air Force maintains special relationships. The 609 was riding squadron, which is co-operation at RAF Leading. To become part of the Belgian so up as far as Oban and down as far as Liverpool. Wow, that far. So somewhere in Liverpool would probably get that rather than the Barry helicopter? It just depends on the availability of helicopters. It depends on how many jobs they're doing around the UK at the time. The ones from Barrier Valley could be deployed, so we can use helicopters from all over the UK, and of course the Republic of Ireland, where we use Irish Coast Guard helicopters to affect our weapons. As you can hear, we're talking to the helicopter, and the light pole system will start approaching into winds, and the helicopter will form you over the top. And this is quite a dangerous practice because the winchman again has to direct the helicopter over the top of the light pole, so we can actually lower the casualty down onto the light pole deck. So the helicopter, the lifeboats have to max speed them. They can max speed, or in some cases they can actually stand on trap decks where the helicopter just stays. As you're watching this, we have a special book of condolence which is now in the Alpha newspapers marquees. If you'd like to go in and sign it, it'd be much appreciated, because that would be sent with the film down to the family in Rutland in Leicestershire. So just keep your eyes there. She'll be bang on time, understand. You'll hear right ahead of the Jeff, right ahead of it. And there you can see the headlight on of the aircraft. She's going to come quite slow for this Hawk. And this lady flying a normal job is flying tornadoes in Afghanistan. She goes and then up to infinity, which is basically saying stairway to heaven. And there she goes. National second time British champion. So she can look after herself as well.